Hey there, food lovers! We've created the best churros ever. Ready to know our secret? Gather your ingredients, put on your chef hats, and let's dive into the beautiful world of churro making. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will transport you straight to the bustling streets of Madrid. Let's dive right into our churro starter pack. Here we'll find our trusty sidekicks and ingredients to embark on our churro making adventure. These ingredients are the essential components that will transform into our delicious churros. Don't worry, this isn't a scavenger hunt. We're not sending you on a wild chase. These pantry staples are easy to find at your local grocery store. They are common items that you might already have at home. Here's what we'll need to create our churro magic. A simple yet delightful list of ingredients. Water. It is the lifeblood of our churro dough. It helps combine all the ingredients and gives the dough the right consistency. Butter, for that rich, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. It adds a creamy texture and a delicious flavor to our churros. Sugar, a touch of sweetness enhances the flavors. It's what makes our churros irresistibly sweet. Salt, just a pinch to balance the sweetness. It enhances the overall flavor profile of our churros. Flour, the backbone of our churro dough, provides structure and texture, giving our churros their signature shape and bite. Eggs, to bind the ingredients together and add richness. They help to create a smooth and cohesive dough. Oil, we use it to fry our churros to crispy perfection. It's what gives them that golden, crunchy exterior. Cinnamon, it is the warm, aromatic spice that defines the churro experience. It adds a delightful fragrance and a hint of spice. More sugar, because you can never have too much sweetness when it comes to churros. This final touch of sugar makes them extra special. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's move on to the fun part, making the churro dough. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the churro making process. Get ready to wear your dancing shoes because making churro dough is like a rhythmic dance in the kitchen. Each step is a move in this culinary choreography, and by the end, you'll have a delicious treat to show for it. It's all about combining ingredients in perfect harmony to create a dough that's smooth, pliable, and ready to be transformed into those iconic churro shapes. The key is to mix with precision and care, ensuring every element blends seamlessly. A splash of water works wonders to create irresistible magic. In a saucepan, combine water, butter, sugar, and salt. This mixture is the base of our dough, and it's essential to get it just right. Bring this merry mixture to a boil over medium heat. The heat will help meld the ingredients together, creating a unified base. Watch as the butter melts and the sugar dissolves, creating a sweet and savory base for our churros. This is where the magic begins, as the ingredients start to transform. Next, it's time for some flour power. Once the mixture reaches a rolling boil, it's time to incorporate the flour. This step is crucial for the texture of the dough. Reduce the heat to low and add the flour all at once. This sudden addition helps to create the right consistency. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until the mixture comes together to form a smooth ball that pulls away from the sides of the pan. This is your cue that the dough is ready for the next step. Bring on our egg-cellent additions. Remove the pan from the heat and let the dough cool slightly. This cooling period ensures the eggs don't cook when added. Then, beat the eggs one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. This gradual addition helps to create a smooth, cohesive dough. This step adds richness and helps bind the dough together. The eggs are what give the churros their signature texture and flavor. Congratulations, you've just created the foundation for churro perfection. Your dough is ready to be shaped and fried into the delightful churros we love. Now, let's move on to shaping our churros. This is where your creativity can shine as you pipe the dough into fun, unique shapes before frying them to golden perfection. Our churros are shaping into a dream come true. So now that our churro dough is mixed to perfection, it's time to unleash our creativity and shape those iconic churro ridges. First, piping bag prep. Fit a piping bag with a star-shaped tip. This will give our churros those classic ridges that make them visually appealing. Next, filling the piping bag. Transfer the churro dough into the piping bag. Ensure it's securely sealed to prevent any unexpected dough bursts while piping. Finally, piping perfection. Pipe 4 to 5 inch long strips of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave some space between each churro to prevent sticking. Get ready to witness the magic of frying as we transform these piped dough strips into golden brown, crispy churros. The moment we've all been waiting for, frying. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming our dough into delicious churros. This step is where our churros take on their signature golden brown hue and irresistible crunch. The frying process is crucial to achieving that perfect texture we all love. First, heat about 2 inches of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. It's essential to use a thermometer to ensure the oil reaches the right temperature. To test whether the oil is hot enough, carefully drop a small piece of dough into the oil. This simple test can prevent undercooked or overcooked churros. You're good to go if it sizzles and floats to the top. This means the oil is at the perfect temperature for frying. Next, carefully place a few churros into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Overcrowding can lower the oil temperature and result in soggy churros. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown is cooked through. Keep an eye on them to ensure they don't burn. Once the churros are beautifully golden, remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon or tongs. Be gentle to avoid breaking them. Place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. This step helps keep them crispy and not greasy. Our churros are almost ready. Let them cool slightly before the final touch. Now, let's give them the royal treatment with a cinnamon sugar coating. This final step adds flavor and sweetness, making our churros irresistible. It's time to give our churros cinnamon sugar spa treatment. So, let's pamper them with a luxurious cinnamon sugar coating. This final touch adds that irresistible sweetness and aroma that makes churros unique. First, in a shallow dish, combine sugar and cinnamon. You can adjust the ratio of cinnamon to sugar to suit your taste preferences. While the churros are still warm, gently roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture, ensuring they're evenly coated. Voila! Our churros are now ready to be devoured. Churros are delicious, but why not elevate that experience with heavenly pairings? Here are some ideas to tantalize your taste buds and create a match made within dessert heaven. Chocolate sauce. The classic pairing. Dip your churros in rich, decadent chocolate sauce for the ultimate indulgence. Dulce de leche. This creamy caramel sauce from Latin America is a match made in heaven for churros. Coffee. The bitterness of coffee perfectly complements the sweetness of churros. Enjoy a cup of coffee alongside your churros for a delightful contrast. Ice cream. Pair churros with a scoop of vanilla ice cream to create a sensational hot and cold dessert. Get creative and experiment with different pairings to discover your favorite churro combinations. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure to the heart of Spain? We've created the best churros ever. Want to know how to unlock the secrets of making churros? They are irresistible, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, cinnamon sugar-dusted sticks of pure delight. Churros are like the rock stars of the dessert world. They're fun, festive, and always a crowd pleaser. Whether you're enjoying them as a sweet treat, a late-night snack, or a special occasion indulgence, churros are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet cravings. Get ready for a flavor explosion that will transport you straight to the bustling streets of Madrid. Making churros is an experience like no other, and we'd love to see your churro creations. Share photos of your culinary masterpieces on social media and tag us. You can even share your creations in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy recipes. Also, ring the notification bell for updates. We're always cooking up something new and exciting. Love is the most essential ingredient in any recipe, So put on your aprons, gather your loved ones, and create some sweet memories in the kitchen. Until our next adventure, happy baking.